Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting tab files to Excel. You can see on my computer I have a state tab. I can double click on it to open it with the tab viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of tab file. And you can see I have a table with column state name, state code, region, subregion, and with all US states in there. I'm going to be converting this file into Excel. So with application, to download application, I will go to my website. This is my website. I will link on this site into description. To find the app, I will click on search and type tab, and I need this tab separated file converters. I'll scroll down to tab to Excel, this one, and click on download and wait until file will be downloaded. I will be recording more videos on converting tab files into different formats. So if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. You wait until file will be downloaded from Google Cloud. You can see file has been downloaded. I will click on downloaded archive. Double click on MSI Inside Archive to start installation and click more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click on finish the final screen, and you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we will have to select tab file. I'll click on this button, navigate to a folder where my tab file is and click on my states tab, click on open, click on next tab. I can select more files if I want to, and they will be added as a separate spreadsheet to Excel workbook. But for testing purposes, I'll just use one file, click on next step. If first row of my file has column names, I will leave it checked. It's usually the case for most tab files. So I'll click next step, and final step I'll click run to create Excel file, and it's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay, just click save. And you can see file has been saved, and let's go and open file. I don't have Excel on this computer installed, and this application does not require an Excel installed for conversion. However, I have Excel Mobile. It's just free viewer, just show what is inside Excel file. So I just can show you what conversion what was converted. It's not working sometimes. It's very sluggish, and yeah, let's try it one more time. And you can see all states has been converted with all columns in it. Unfortunately, I cannot resize this in this free Excel viewer, but you can see all data is here. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.